This is our 2019 Mercedes E63 AMG S. Fully enhanced by Kingsbridge. In the best colour scheme, of course, black on black on black. So we've got a triple black car that we've fully enhanced. This is a phenomenal piece of machinery. 612 horsepower, 0 to 60 in approximately 3 seconds, 4-wheel drive, 9-speed automatic gearbox, and yet you can get your whole family, your pets. The boot is huge. What a phenomenal car. Just over 14,000 miles, one former owner, full Mercedes service history, with the last service having been done in June this year, 2020. 2 keys, full book pack, etc. So we have certainly enhanced this. We've got a full privacy glass, including the fronts. We've got the wheels done in the satin black to offset the gloss black. You've got the red AMG calipers. You've got the grille in gloss black. Looks superb. Very stealth, very mean. We've left obviously all the V8 BiTurbo badges in chrome because I don't want it too over the top. And the same on the rear, so we've blacked out the rear boot strip but left the badging. In my opinion, it's the best combination to make it look just right and not too OTT. You've got the black chrome AMG exhaust. Beautiful, beautiful car. In absolutely superb condition. Right, so what can I tell you about this car? I mean, these come pretty loaded as standard. The E63S is the top of the range, so they pretty much throw everything at it. There was a few options. One of them that this has is the head-up display, as well as the night pack and a few other options that I've listed on the ad. But let's go round to the inside now so you can see what else we've got. So if we open the tailgate, obviously it's power. It's also got automatic power retractable load space cover. But look at this boot, absolutely huge, bigger than the Range Rovers actually. Of course, you've got the 2 buttons there for the tailgate. So we've got this carpet here, and under here we've got the, excuse me a moment, got the original AMG private lounge letter, some books, load space, net, box, first aid kit, warning triangle. It's all there as it should be. Here you've got the buttons to drop down the seats. Got 2 buttons here, so let's press the close. Michelin tyres, Pilot Sports all the way around, Pilot Sport 4S. These are running approximately 4 mil on the rears, brand new on the front. Let's have a look inside. Look at this interior, it's superb. So you've got the ambient lighting everywhere, you've got all this lovely textured chrome finish on the door pins, Burmester audio, lovely open pore black wood, and then the ambient lighting LEDs underneath. The switches are finished in chrome, as are the handles, or brushed chrome. Looks really, really nice. AMG floor mats, light grey seat belts to match the grey piping on the seats, and they have got Alcantara inserts and then perforated leather. Looks fantastic. And you've got the sport seats at the front as well. Of course, you've got the 2 panoramic roofs. Moving on to the front passenger, much of the same. You can see that. All your power adjustable settings for your seats, as well as the memory buttons. Heated Burmester, ambient lighting, backlit AMG entry sill plates. Further adjustments on the seat is available for the bolsters and lumbar. On the drivers you've got 2 sets of bolster adjustment. Let's go round to the driver's side, the business end, and let's see what we've got up front. Yeah. First of all, quick look at the driver's side rear. Again, much of the same. Really is a stunning interior. Let's have a look at the inside on this. So, you've got the multiple different adjustments for the seat, the memory settings, the heating. You can adjust the passenger seat here, Burmester, and all these switches finish in that brushed chrome. Obviously you've got power folding wing mirrors, tailgate release, AMG backlit sill plate. You can see here you've got the twin, so you can adjust both bolsters, top and bottom, lumbar support, stainless steel pedal, handbrake, automatic lights. And then further buttons here, you've got this lovely black leather with the white stitching and the knurled finish. Looks fantastic. Moving on to the inside here, AMG flat bottom steering wheel, half Alcantara with the grey 12 o'clock marker. Stunning bit of furniture, should I say. But really, really nice to hold and use. Really, really clever. Just close this door. Here we've got the head-up display on and off, park sensors on and off, back headrest folding, and I think that's to raise your vehicle rising. That's to raise the suspension if you want to do so. Let's say you're driving over something that's a little bit off-roady, then you'd probably press that. Okay, AMG logo on the open pore black ash. We've got 2 keys, of course. You've got this lovely IWC Schorfhausen clock, analog, beautiful, lovely ambient lighting. Here you've got some USB ports. You've also got some of those in the back passenger compartment as well. Glove box, last service is in there from June. Got the blinds and opening of the panoramic roofs. You've got some sunglasses holders here, all the different lights. But the main feature is, of course, the screens and the way they've set it out. It's superb. You've also got the fact that the start and stop button sort of pulses with white light. It's a great bit of theatre. I like it. So here we've got obviously I need some fuel, but ignore that for a second. You've got these buttons are sort of touch control, if you like. So for example, if you wanted to set it all to sport, that changes all the lighting, so you can change how you want everything displayed, and this control panel controls that screen there as well as this does. You've got sports exhaust, switchable. You've got the parking cameras, which you can see here. I'm using this touch wheel now to flick through the options. You can see you've got 360 area view as well as various different choices there. Okay, very easy to park it. You can control the dynamic, sport plus, race if you want to go crazy. Probably best not to do that unless you know what you're doing, I'd suggest. Manual button here if you want to change gears manually, or you can just flip the paddles anyway. And then obviously there's further shortcuts here, but to be honest fair, you can use it all with this button there. So, and you can also do it with this. There's so many different ways you can control the same items. A bit OTT to be fair, but there you go. So you've got media, radio, of course you've got DAB, navigation, in-car office, Mercedes Connect, and then of course you can, for example, select all the different settings in the vehicle. So your seats, dynamic select, track pack assistance. There's just so much you can do, it's crazy. I mean, you can spend a lot of time on this. It is basically just a big computer. You also can control your adaptive cruise, etc., and assistance systems. There literally is endless and amounts of configurations that you can play about with if you're that sort of person that enjoys that. Me personally, I love it, but I just don't have the time. But there you go. That is our E63S. Superb car. It's just the ultimate family wagon. You've got the power, you've got the space, you've got the looks. It just really is a car that does everything very, very well. So, if you are interested in our E63S, then please drop me an email, a call, a text. Preferably a call or an email is best. I don't like texts, especially not 11, 12 o'clock at night when I've had enough. But there you go, that still happens, we can't stop it. But yes, if you are interested, register your inquiry with myself, Eli, or Eva in the office, and we will then be able to discuss the vehicle with you. We do offer finance, of course. There's a calculator right on our website, so if you click on there, you can see how much this is going to cost either on a PCP or an HP. Our rates are 6.9% APR, which is the best in the industry, and you can choose how much deposit you want to put on, if any at all. And obviously if you want a part exchange, then we can give you a price for that. But going back to the finance packages, you can apply for it all online using a panel of 32 lenders, folks. So we do everything for you. It's all instantaneous online. You'll get a decision. It's great, really simple and easy. We also offer nationwide delivery. So if you do want the car delivered to your home or office, we do this all the time. Please look at our feedback and reviews. You'll see that people are always happy with the car when they get it. So if you do want it, it costs from, let's have a look, got it written down on this big banner sign here. There you go, folks. Warranty packages, obviously you don't need on this because it's still got Mercedes warranty. Delivery to your door from £1.50 a mile on an open trailer. It's £2 a mile on an enclosed trailer. I highly recommend the enclosed trailer personally, if you'd like it to arrive all clean and dry. And that is pretty much it, folks. Have a good night. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Good night.